Hi, family and friends. I want to come on and share something that was on my heart. Proverbs 3:5 says to trust in the Lord with all of your heart. Lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. It's so much happening in the world right now, and we got questions as to why and why this and why that and what's going on. And we're looking at prices going up. We're looking at the people in the White House. We're looking at who's taking over the White House. But guys, listen, it's bigger than that. It's bigger than the White House. We need to start looking at things from a spiritual standpoint and not with our natural eyes. He also said in his word that he has not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind. If we keep his word hidden in our hearts, guys, I promise you, we will always come out on top. He's the God that pushed us through the pandemic, and he's still the same God that'll get us through this. So keep focused and stay prayed up, and God got us. I'll see you next time. Be blessed.